Hey, hi all. Very good evening. So let's start the session. Hey, hi Srinivas. So now before going any further, let me give you a quick introduction about myself. So as you can see, my name is Arjun Srikanth, and I'm having nearly around 15 plus years experience into the world of IT. And I've been working over like 8 years into the data science. My entire experience is in Python, you know, like related to Python, 15 years. And from past 8 to 9 years, I'm into the artificial intelligence, data science, and the deep learning and Gen AI. Okay. I'm people usually ask me this question like, okay, you are having such a vast experience. Why you are doing this training? See, usually it is kind of like I'm passionate towards the training, and I have some time in the evenings. So I usually give training so that uh, the skilled, whatever the skills are required in the real time, in the real world, so that I can deliver those things to our graduates, fresh graduates, or the people who want to transform from a different technology to the AI. So this is my major mode. And I've been working with reputed organizations, and I've been working with some US clients and all those things. So currently, I'm running my own projects as well as I'm working with this, my own job, and I'm having my uh, training classes as well, morning and the evening. Okay, now, um, yeah, I'm going to tell you, Ramu. I'm going to tell you all the things, what is required for you for this. Okay, so let's move forward on this. Let me share the screen first. Okay, now, here, I'll just put on a note, artificial intelligence with Gen AI. Okay. Um, so first, let's see this one. We are going to do some basic stuff. First thing I want to let you know, this entire program will be for 100 days. Now, 100 days, they are saying it will definitely extend it from 100 to like 120 days. Now, approximately, the plan was to complete it in 3.5 months. So it may go up to 4 months. Okay. And it will be a daily classes, daily 1.5 hour class, and 5 days a week officially. Officially, 1.5 hour class, 5 days a week, and we are going to start at 8:30, and we will be ending our session at 10 o'clock. Okay, maybe I may extend it maybe 10 or 15 minutes based on your queries and all these things. Okay. Now the very important thing is yeah, usually the people will ask that whether it is comfortable for you to complete all these things in 100 days. No, that's the reason why I was saying it like we are going to extend that 20 days, approximately like till 4 months. We are going to take these sessions. And over the weekends, yeah, once we have done the core concepts, then once we move into the like the basic concepts, once we are done with all the prerequisites and all those things, once we enter into the core concepts, then I may extend it over the one weekend, that is weekends, that is on your prior approval. It will be like on Saturday. Okay, so easily it will take 4 months with like 5 days officially, but it may extend it to the 6 days. Okay, this is what it is. Now the next one is um you know um this entire program, usually the people will ask that whether it is suitable for the freshers or whether who are the ones we are targeting. So there is no limitation, there is no restriction. So if you are a fresh graduate, you are eligible. And if you are already a professional who is working in the IT sector, yes, you can transform it. Or if you are working in a non-IT sector, still you are most welcome to come into the world of AI. Now, why I'm saying, I'm not saying it to just to convince you to enroll into this course. No, I want to give you the right information so that you can take the right decision. First thing is AI is a technology. It's not just like a technology, it's a revolution. You should understand this. It is a revolution which cannot be stopped. It will be wiping out, or you will be seeing the AI in each and every sector. Now, by now, you must have already tasted the glimpse, or you have seen the glimpse of the AI in the different sectors. But when it comes to the actual implementation of AI, we are at like we are doing a baby steps. Like, how a 1 year old guy or 1.5 year or 2 years old guy, they will be putting down their baby steps, falling down and getting up, falling down. The same thing we are doing in the AI right now. Right now, whatever we are creating the applications, whatever we are building up the, applications on generative AI and all these things. So these all are like a small glimpse of the actual potential of AI. And if you are in the future, maybe I'm talking about future in a sense, maybe by 2030 or 2032 or something like that, everywhere you will find AI. Everywhere, each and every sector, you will be finding the AI. There is no chance, nothing can be exceptional over here. Okay, it is like this, guys. You can imagine, I don't know, like now how many are, like they are just graduated, and how many are graduated early 2000 or coming down. The people you must have heard about in 2000, when the computers were introducing in the Indian markets. And you can ask your parents or someone, like they say no one was ready to accept the computers, and they were not ready to take over. They were not ready to believe that the computers will take over the world over here. So like the accountants, the clerks, they were not ready to accept it. till that time they were doing the things manually, and suddenly the computers came down, they were not ready. But now you look over it, everywhere around you, right from a small grocery shop to a big mall, everywhere you will be finding. In fact, your smartphone is also a computer. Okay, so it is like that. So AI is, you are observing a revolution. You are seeing a revolution over here. This will be dominating the world. Okay, it will be dominating. Okay, so this is the facts. Okay, if I am talking, or tomorrow if you go anywhere, you just do a quick search, you will find that the what is the future with the AI. There is a huge investments are being uh, done in the world of AI, especially with this the private sector people. Okay, now as we know it now, the basic understanding of the AI, what it is. Now let's see it, um, how our course will be going. See, first we will be starting with the very much fundamentals, very much fundamentals. And for next 4 to 5 days, we will be doing the complete roadmap of AI and generative AI. Like, what is AI, what is ML, what is DL, and what is generative AI. We are and agentic AI. All these things we are going to learn it step by step. Okay, and then this is all theory. We are going to do the theory. What is that, and what they are going to do it. Complete roadmap. And then we will see the life cycle, and what are the technologies are involved, and what are the concepts we are going to learn it. Everything we will be seeing it. And then afterwards, we are going to jump into actual, like with the programming skills, like Python and pandas, all these things we are going to do. I'm going to explain you one after the other. So first, let's see what is like data science. And now don't get confused, like we came for the generative AI and I'm talking about data science. I'm going to say, so data science is, the data science includes artificial intelligence. Okay, artificial intelligence. And then we are having something called as machine learning, and we are going to do it with deep learning. We are going to do with the generative AI, generative artificial intelligence, and there is agentic AI. Okay, now this is what is with it. Okay, first one is artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, and agentic AI. Now, okay, let's do it. These are the things we are going to do. So, even though it is not mentioned in your agentic AI, we are going to do the agentic AI also. So in this, we are going to cover everything except then machine learning. Machine learning is not a part of our course. So we are going to start with artificial intelligence, deep learning. Deep learning is a prerequisite for the generative AI. And from the generative AI, we are going to go with the, agentic AI. Now, what are the prerequisites for, someone was asking, what are the prerequisites for this data science and artificial intelligence? So I'm going to put down like prerequisites of data science, or we can say it as artificial intelligence. Okay, Now, even though if you are doing the like generative AI, or you are doing agentic AI or deep learning, these are the prerequisites. Okay. Now, we require, or you have to know a programming language. Okay, we are going to, you have to know the programming language. Next, you have to know a bit of statistics. Okay. Now, next is domain knowledge. Okay. Then we will be visualization tools. Okay. Now, these are the things what is required for you, prerequisites for us. Okay. Now, again, for our, this is for our AI, our generative AI, we are going to talk about. See, when you are talking about the programming language, we will be learning. There are many programming language supports the artificial intelligence. It's not that we have to go with a specific. You can implement the artificial intelligence with the different programming languages. Like for example, we may have the Python, or you can do with the Julia, you can do with the R, you can implement it with the Rust, you can implement with the Java, etc. There are many out there, many of them. And in this, the Python is very popular, or you can say it as Python is the one which is very compatible, very flexible. Python is the one. Okay. Now, now you can take it something like this, guys. So whenever you want to do something in AI, the Python is very flexible. You can do it very easily. The Python is a one programming language which is very popular, at the same time very easy and very powerful. So this is one of the programming language which is with all these features. It's very easy, at the same time very powerful because of its huge collection of libraries. Okay. And that kind of flexibility, you will not get it with any of them. Now, here, next one is statistics. Statistics helps us to build the models. Okay. So there are multiple things the statistics will be helpful. So to build model, or we can say that, applying for the data cleansing process, data cleansing and data analysis. All these things, the statistics will be pretty useful for us. So building the model based on algorithms. So it will tell us the algorithm, which algorithm we have to use it to build the model. I'm going to explain you what is model, what is cleansing, what is analysis. We are going to see them. Okay. Now, domain knowledge. Now, at the starting, I told you, see, this program is not restricted to any of the particular category people. So this is open for the freshers. This is open for the people who are coming from the different IT backgrounds. Okay. Or this is also open for the people who are having non-IT background. Now, here, these non-IT people will be having their advantage. What is that? Is the domain knowledge. What do you mean by domain knowledge? Means, in a simple terminology, I can say it as, this is nothing but the industry knowledge. It is industry knowledge. Okay. Now, what do you mean by industry knowledge? Means, see, actually, if you are, just think that you have been working in a bank for past 5 years. Okay. Now your experience is into banking. Now banking is your domain. Okay. You know in and out of the banking process. This is called as your domain. Banking is your domain. Suppose if you are working in any of the big mall as a manager or something like that, then you are yeah, then you are maybe you have a domain knowledge of retail. Okay, and if you are working in a manufacturing sector like automobile industry or something, then automobile is your domain. Okay, so this is how the domain knowledge, the people who are coming with this domain knowledge, is always there is a plus over there for them to enter into the world of AI. Because one thing is, you should remember, as of now, why I'm saying as of now, I will tell you. As of now, the AI is completely dependent on data. Okay, AI, artificial intelligence, is completely dependent on data. And the data will be, we are collecting from the different sectors. In other words, different industries. Okay, the people who are having the knowledge on that particular industry, they are having an added advantage, and they are the ones who will be a plus for our data science or artificial intelligence. Okay, that's the reason why the people who are coming from a different programming or different sectors, they are most welcome in the world of AI. Okay, now visualization. See, data in a sense, like it will be in the tabular format and all these things. Okay, now you can analyze the data very effectively with the help of visualization tools. Visualization tools means the data, the tools which helps us to present the data. Like for example, the matplotlib is one of the tools or libraries which helps us to present the data. Then there is something called as CBOM. Okay, and there is Tableau, Power BI, and Excel. There are so many other out there. These all are the tools which are used to present the data. So these are some of the prerequisites for you. Now, the Python, we are going to train you on. And statistics, yes, we are going to give you the statistics as per our requirement. Don't expect that it will be something like your academic statistics. As per our requirement, we are going to provide it and we are going to implement it programmatically. Domain knowledge, as we move forward, you will get the domain knowledge. And visualization tools, again, based on your requirement, you will be learning this visualization tools. Okay, so now this is what is about our prerequisites. Okay, now let's get into some of the very commonly asked questions. Now, you can, the basic thing, I may ask you, what is data science? Or you can give it, what is artificial intelligence? Yeah. Can someone tell me what is data science and what is artificial intelligence, please? Yeah, some people asked me the question over here. Sri Bhavya. Yes, the timings is fixed. Azam Khan. Yes, that is IST timings, 8:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. And yes, Azam Khan, like you will be getting the videos and also the notes. Everything will be provided to you, and you can know it about that. You will be getting it. And after the course completion, from there for 8 months, these videos will be available with you. Okay. And now within this 8 months after completion of the course will be like approximately 4 months. After that, you will be getting 8 months of duration. That is approximately like overall from the starting of the course, you will be having 1 year time. Okay. And see, Ramu, not to worry about. You will be knowing it. The Python is so beautifully structured. Without having any prior knowledge, you can play with the Python. Okay. And yeah, if you have heard about that, data science is very difficult, or artificial intelligence is not, it's for only experienced people. That is all is a, like, they are giving all bullshit. Okay. It's very, very easy. And any point of time, you can easily accommodate yourself into that. Okay. Not to worry about. We will provide you, I will tell you how the things will be started. Mahesh, like, what is our role once this is completed? I'm says the course is completed. And without having any domain knowledge, can we join the course? See, one thing, Mahesh, so you will be eligible for the multiple roles. You can be a deep learning developer or deep learning engineer, or you can become a CNN specialist, that's a computer science, computer vision, or you can become an NLP specialist, or you can also be well eligible for the generative AI. Now, this all I'm saying without any domain knowledge. 1 second. Yeah. Is Python also a part of our course? I will tell you, it's not complete, Ramu. Like, not complete Python is not given to you. So I'm going to give you like basic information about the Python, and you are provided with 170 videos, a detailed explanation about the Python. Now, whatever is required for our Python, I'm going to tell you, and then we will enter into NumPy and Pandas. And then once you go through these videos, you will become an expert, first thing. Second is, if you are, while learning, going through these videos, still you are facing some problem, then I will take the, I will clarify your doubts, and I can take the special class for you people on that particular concept. So first, we are going to start with the Python. We will do the basics of the Python, and we will do whatever is required for us to get into our data science mainstream or artificial intelligence. And then you are also provided a part of this course, 170 videos, which you can go through at your leisure time, and you can become expert with the Python first. Second is like, is linear algebra and calculus concepts required for this? See, generative AI is not required all these things, because generative AI is very, very easy. It is where you will not have the real coding over there. Very less coding we are going to do it. The coding will be done in our deep learning. Deep learning is a prerequisite for our generative AI. Okay, there you don't require any linear algebra, calculus, all these things are not required. Yeah, basic statistics is required, which we will learn it as we move forward. Okay, that is for Ramu again, Naga Murli. And Uh, Swapni Chaudhary, yeah. Um, See, Swapni, if you have a gap, so now when you go for an interview, how you justify that gap makes all the difference. Again, see, if you say that now you are a manager, project manager. Now you got the two profiles, a person who is having a gap of 6 years and they are restarting their career first. That is, the last they did the job is 2019 and they are having a gap of 6 years. There is another guy coming to you with the continuity. There's a continuously, there is the working goal. So if you have a chance of hiring, which one you will hire? Now you are the project manager. You want to have both are relevant to your project. One is having a gap, other one is not having the gap. Obviously, you will be going with the guy who is not having the gap. Right. So now what I'm trying to say is it's up to us. Now, if you want to get it, a good opportunity is flowing to you, then you have to fill up this gap. There's no way you have to fill up this gap. You have to put it on some kind of experience and then you have to present it. Otherwise, you have to give, and now 6 years is a lengthy time. So you have to fill up these things with some relevant experience and then you can present your profile. So again, now you may get a doubt that, okay, if I'm putting some kind of experience over there, now will I justify that? That I can guarantee. You will easily justify that one. I can guarantee. That's for sure. Okay. Hope you got your answer. Or not at the end, Bhavya. Yeah, not at the end. As we move forward, we are going to each and every concept. See, the data science and artificial intelligence is not like a Python course or a Java course where you will learn all the concepts. Last, you will do the project. No. Here, each and every concept, when we complete it in deep learning, in like computer vision, and in the NLP, each and every concept, when we complete, we will do a project. Definitely, we will do the multiple projects. That's what I was saying it, Swapni, that, the person will be well eligible to justify the 6 years experience. So they should be able to do some couple of real-time projects, then only they can do it. Okay. And so not to worry about Bhavya, we are going to do the multiple projects, not one, multiple intense projects, which you can present it in your resume. Okay. See, that's what I told you, Mandeep. Like you can eligible for a multiple roles. You are eligible for a data scientist. You will be eligible for a deep learning engineer. You will be eligible for a Gen AI professional. You will be eligible for a NLP professional. You will be eligible for a computer vision professional. So these are the five things will be coming to you. Okay. Ramu, the same question, in a sense, I didn't get you. What is the same question? Yeah, you will be providing the now you are asking for providing the AI certificate, in a sense. You will be getting a course completion certificate over here. Pravesh. So you will be completing the course, you will be given with a course completion certificate. And Bhavya, like your generative AI means LLMs. Okay. You are not only going to use the LLMs, but in fact, you are going to build the LLMs. We will be taking the help of the existing LLMs, and we are going to do that. Swapni, like, while we are doing, see, whatever the uh, projects we are going to do, they are all real-time projects. And I'm going to right away do in front of you. I'm not going to get a code and give it to you. So it will be kind of like we are going to do the things right away in front of you. And, with this, what happens is you will be doing this simultaneously with. And apart from that, you will be done with the real-time projects. There will be a lot of real-time projects will be there. I'm having nearly around like 100, 200 different projects are there with me on different concepts. I can share with you. I'm not talking about the code. I'm talking about the required data sets and everything so that you can start implementing. And don't be in a don't get the doubt that can I do this? Yes, you will be doing it. That's for sure. Okay. Um, Shamarat. So you will be receiving this course content. It's already there with our admin people. I'm going to explain you. I'm going to explain you this course content one after the other. What other things will be covered and where they will be useful in our course. Okay, I'm not only give the course content, but also I will explain you that. And if you wanted the concepts, all the concepts, you can get it from the admin people they are having. Yeah, there are multiple things you can participate in this Prasanna. Like you can become an AI professional. Certification will be there. So there are a lot of certifications are there related. The data science IBM certificate is there one where you can apply for that. Okay. So there is something called as Google certification. And there are like multiple certifications are there, but IBM certification is the one which is very popular. Again, still you want to get that weightage in your resume means, again, I'm saying about the certification. If you are very much concerned about the certification, then different IIT organizations are providing these certifications. You can apply for that. Okay. And again, I will say you the concept wise, you know, they may lack, you may not get the enough content over there, but the certificate will be really valued. The IIT data science from so and so IIT Madras and IIT Kanpur, you will get it over there. If the budget is not the constraint, I strongly recommend you to go with this triple IT and all those things. No, the budget is a constraint, I can't go further means go with this IBM certifications, Google certifications. Okay. Yeah, Swapni, thank you. And see, Bhavya, like, yeah, that's a very good approach. The more and more projects you do it, the better you will have that confidence level and you can see it. And I can say that if you are a fresher, okay, now after completion of this course, of course, we are removing the machine learning from this. And after completion of the course, you will be well eligible to compare yourself with any of the 3 years AI guy. Very easily, very easily. Now, on what basis I'm doing telling is, see, the situation in the market is every company having some or other AI project. I'm not talking about these bigger companies. I'm talking about there's a lot of startups or mid-level companies having the AI projects. Unfortunately, they are not having a really qualified people. Yeah, unfortunately, like, I usually facing this problem. So if we interview like uh, 20 people, okay, we will hardly get a qualified person of one or two. I'm not saying that they will be completely clear. No, I'm saying qualified people who are eligible for this particular interview. And again, they have to go through the entire process. Now, what I'm trying to say is, see, everyone is doing the AI posts. And, everyone is taglining themselves as a data scientist. Without knowing the role and responsibilities of data scientists, they are taglining themselves as a data scientist. And unfortunately, when they come down to the like interview board, or when they want to, they will sit in front of the interviewer, they are not able to satisfy, or they are not able to answer the basic things, basic questions also, they are not able to answer. That is the reason why I'm saying it. Once you complete this course with all the things what we do it, you will easily beat, or you can compete with a 3 years real time. So you can understand it. So, and yeah, Swapni, like, yeah, I will provide my contact number, and I will create a Telegram group, and we are going to put it on. And anything is there, we can communicate. You can call me anytime. But the problem is sometimes I will be busy. I may not take up the calls, but I will definitely revert back uh, to your calls. That's for sure. Okay. Can you please small demo one AI application so that we can get feel and difference between stand and application. I didn't get your question, Srinivas. Sorry. You want me to build up an AI application right away in front of you? Or you want me to take an existing application and you want me to show it? Or what is that? I didn't get it. Ramu, like pandas, NumPy, matplotlib covered from the Python. Yes, the I'm says the Python is required to implement the pandas, NumPy, and matplotlib. Okay. Now these things are, of course, there is something called as feature engineering. These are very much important for us to take in forward. Okay, these all are. See, like Nagamurli, like you are asking, like why ML is not covered. See, first thing is ML, you can ask me like whether it is important to us or not, means, yeah, there are still some projects running on ML. Okay. Now, there are some projects which are running on ML, but for ourselves, like to do the deep learning, as for generative AI, deep learning is pretty important. Yeah, definitely deep learning is very important for us to move forward. Without deep learning, you can't understand the generative AI. Okay, especially NLP kind of stuff. Okay, and extension of the deep learning is generative AI. So you have to do that. And now to understand the uh, deep learning. Usually we require machine learning, but whatever the prerequisites are required for to complete the machine learning, that all I will be covering in the feature engineering. So again, we don't require that machine learning. So if you want to take the machine learning, again, we have to spend one more month over there. Like approximately, then your entire course will be 5.5 months. So now that is not required for you, the people who are looking for your generative AI kind of course. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Prasanna. Thanks a lot. Um, See, the best example is um, Srinivas. The Chat GPT is the best example. I will show you because I don't know that whether you know it or not. The Chat GPT is the best example of the AI. Now I will explain you what is the core mechanism behind this, and I will explain you. Yeah, it's an open secret, Swapni. You can you can get an industry experience. It's not a big deal. You can get it. After completion of our course, again, don't think that I'm praising my course a lot. It's not like that. I've been seeing it. I've been seeing so many interviews, and I applied so many I've taken so many interviews that I'm literally fed up of seeing the people coming up themselves saying that we are a data scientist, we have done so and so course and this all. And I really pity on them because they will be dumping like around 1.5, 2 lakhs rupees, and all they will be getting is nothing but the already written programs, and they have to practice it. They don't know the basic flow, how the data science goes. So this is the situation in the market. Now, I don't know you. I don't know you personally. I don't know what is your capability, what is your background, but still I'm saying 100% that after completion of this course, you will be eligible to compete with a 3 years old guy, 3 years experienced guy. Sorry, not old, 3 years experienced guy. Now, how I am saying is because I know the industry, how they are. Some of the industry are so bad that now some of now I should not say that some of my students who are already have holding a job in generative AI, they are holding a job in generative AI with like 12 lakhs package. They don't know the basic understanding of the things, how it goes. Now you may ask me how they are getting the job, because unfortunately these people are getting the jobs in a company where there is no interviewer with the generative AI. That's the situation. There are small companies are there. They can't afford a like experienced generative AI guy. Like usually, like a 5 years generative AI guy will be like deep learning or generative AI. They will be getting a salary package of 5 to 6 years. I'm talking about. Like you can expect around 30 lakhs. Now, a startup company cannot afford it, or a company which is they are doing a POCs on the Gen AI or deep learning, they can't afford to hold a guy of that costly. So what they will do it is they will take some basic interview questions and they will ask these guys and they will give a job. And these guys, after getting the job, they don't understand the process. They will come down for to learn the course. This is what it will happen. Now, in that case, then I will never say it's something wrong putting down some experience and going and facing an interview and getting the job done. Yes, and you may get a doubt that, okay, what if my background verification will be done? See, you are going to look out for the job in the mid-level or the startup companies who are least bothered about your background verification. Yeah, they are more worried about your skills, and your skills, you will be getting the enough skills to crack that interview, so you can get it very easily. Okay, it's not a problem at all. You can get the experience, but only thing is that you should be very cautious to get it from a genuine company. Yeah, nah, I will show you, Srinivas. I will show you. Um, Jitendra. See, you can install, it depends. Again, you are having a basic 8 to 12 GB RAM. If you have it, you can install all these things um, in your system, whatever the system you are having. Okay. Nagamurli, at starting, you told ML is not required for Gen AI, any particular. That's what I told you, Nagamurli. I addressed it a bit late. I'm sorry for that. Okay. See, who is this? Ramu. Ramu, like you have been dealing with the Informatica ETL engineer, right? See, you are having 12 years experience. That's a really a very good experience you are having. And what is that you can put it on is like, I can show you. Like you can put it on the first 8 years on your Informatica, or maybe around 6 years in Informatica, and past 6 years, then you can say that you moved on to your analyst as an analyst, and then you moved on to the data scientist. So this is the way you will be doing. Again, you can keep your salary the same, and like maybe six years back, whatever your salary is, then you slowly upskill yourself as a data analyst, and you moved on to the data analyst, and you worked as a data analyst for 2 to 3 years, and then you moved on as a data scientist, and now you are working on generative. Now why you are looking for a change? Because there was no appreciation from the company as per the promise. So they are looking for a change, for a better projects and better package. I don't have any Swapni, like I don't have any contacts of this kind, but there are some sources will be there through which you can get it. This experience, best experience. First thing is the genuine experience. If you want to get it, is um, first thing is go and look at for a consulting firm or a company which is existing, and says not on the website and all those things. It should exist in real. Then that is the one which is pretty much genuine. You can see it. I'm not saying a genuine, but that can easily crack the background verification. Okay. And there will be some companies which they will say that we don't have the physical existence, but we are available over the website. If any mail comes, we will address it. Yeah, these companies, what they will do it is like there will be a blacklist. They will be blacklisted very frequently. So you can check it out, the company which is existing in real, and go and meet them. You will understand if they are having any projects or anything like that. They can provide you the experience letter and all those things. Okay. What is the difference between generative data science and AI? Um, See, AI is a part of your data science, Mahesh. It's not that it is different. It is a part of your data science. So when you are learning AI, now AI is implemented in a different ways. That is machine learning, deep learning, and all these things. So generative AI. Now those things you will be implementing. So this course is about AI only. And this also includes the data science. Data science deals with the data. Okay. Um, yeah, I will share you my number once this demo sessions are done, Swapni. I will share you my number and okay. Now, yeah, a gentleman was asking me repeatedly, Srinivas, I think so. Srinivas, now any application you are talking about, any application. Now, I'm showing you a, now this you must be knowing it. It is a very popularly known, okay? Just a minute. Now there is, and now first thing I will show you. Um, so anything what you are going to look around is powered with the AI. Now the best example is, now here I'm giving it. Um, Now here there is a Google Translator is there, right? I want to convert this one from English to Hindi. I'll take it as to Hindi. Okay. Now try to understand this. Now if I'm saying it, hello all, or I will give it as how are you, like this. How are you? Now, when I'm asking this one, so I'm getting it immediately. See, I'm getting it immediately. Kaise ho? Okay. Now, how are you? Now it's giving us aap kaise hain. So now this is how it is happening is, see, there is a concept in our um Pravesh, just give me a minute. Let me complete and I will get back to you. See, what will happen is this concept, what is there, is because of the NLP. There is a concept called as NLP. In the deep learning, there is a concept called as NLP. Deep learning has a two major concepts. One is natural language processing. Second one is computer vision. Computer vision. Now, what is this computer vision and what is this natural language processing is? See, the term computer vision. If you take computer, you know computer is nothing but your laptop or a computer desktop. Vision means view, view. Now you are giving your computer the ability to see the things and recognize. Now, in other words, see the things, that is, recognize the things. Okay. So you are giving your computer to analyze or recognize the things is called, is the work of the computer vision. Now, this is a part of deep learning. Now, here you can see we will use it CNN, and we use it like gangs, and you can use it the ANN also a bit. But these are very, very effectively used. Okay, the computer vision. Computer vision means you are giving an ability to the computer to recognize the things. Now, a simple example. You must have heard about the driverless cars, right? You must have heard about the driverless. Now, just imagine driverless cars are the cars which are without driver, it is going to take you. Now, now just take it in any part of the country, any part of the world, on the road, there may be some mishaps may be happening, some unexpected events may be happening. Suppose the other car is coming close to, as a human, if you are a human, if other car is coming close to you, then what you'll do it from the left side, it is coming close to you like this. This is your car. Okay, take it as this is your car, and there is one more car is approaching towards you like this, and actually it has to go this direction. Both are going. Now this guy is overtaking, and car is coming closer to you on the right side. Now what you are going to do, either you will accelerate your car to take it forward, or you will put on the brakes to pull it backwards. Now that's how the things will goes on by a human. The same thing will be done by your computer. How it will do it? This is because of this CNN. What I'm talking about, the computer vision. It will first take the picture of this car, and it will recognize what is this. Okay, it's a car. Now it is, it will calculate the distance, and it will see that it is coming closer to you. Now, as it is coming closer to you, it will break up so that it can move backside. Now, while it is putting down the brake, it will check it out. Is there any car next that immediate back? All these things it will do it. How it will do it? By recognizing what is the object. What is the object? By recognizing what is the object, it will do it. That is the work of your computer vision. Okay. Now this is a real time. It is driverless cars are existing. In India also, you can see some of the Mahindra cars. They are having a feature called as high-end cars. They are having the feature called as, driverless mode. Okay. Autopilot mode or driverless, they call it as. Now, what is a natural language processing? What is this natural language processing is? You are making the computer understand the human language. That is what is happening over here. We are taking, now here we are giving it, how are you? It is on the fly, means on the line. As I am changing it, it is translating and giving to me. This is the example of your NLP, natural language processing. Now, natural language processing is implemented with the concepts like RNN, okay, LSTM, okay, and there is something called as birth, and there is Gen AI applications. Gen AI applications like Chat GPT or all these things. You are going to use this, and you will be. Now, this is an example of your NLP applications. And computer vision application is nothing but now here I'm taking it this one. Okay. Now I will take one more. Here, what I'll do it is, like a small domestic animal with the 4 legs. Now I want the images over here. Now here is the 4-leg creature. Now what I'm trying to show you is here there is a cat. Okay, now you can take it any of them. Okay, here 4 legs creature, and here it is showing it as a cat, but nowhere it is written 4-legged animal photo. Okay, let's take this one, or let's take it a cat. This one. Now observe. Okay, let's take here. Let's take this one. It's saying that animal 4-leg image. Okay, it's not mentioned it as cat anywhere. Okay, in this is a name. Okay, if you can click on this, here you can see it, an animal 4 legs image, like there is nowhere it is mentioned as cat. Okay, I'm taking this image. Okay, and I'm going ahead and searching for it. This is the image. Okay, this is the image. Just a minute. Here I'm taking it. Okay, I'm taking the image from here. Yeah, I'm putting it. Okay, here you can see it. Cat. Okay, see that. Now, a simple thing I will ask you. You and I, now try to understand the realistic thing. You and I are having the eyes, and we are able to recognize this is a cat. Okay, this is a cat, like this. Even though there is a not even a single word is mentioned it as a cat. Okay, it's not mentioned anywhere it is a cat. So it is just showing us one second. Okay, now you can see this. We as a human, we can see them and we can understand what is this. This is a cat. But look at this one. I just gave an image. That's it. This is the image. Now it is getting me a cat over here. In fact, it is getting a similar color also. It is not getting me a black cat or a completely white cat or something like that. It is giving the similar color cat. Now, how is this possible? How is this possible? This is where the deep learning come into the picture. This is where. Now, when it learns, okay, when um, our machine learns from the image, it will take the each and every feature of this particular cat. Now, whatever the cat image is there, it will understand this is the actual cat. Here there is no cat, here there is no cat. Here there are the actual cat is. So what it will do is like whenever it is reading this image, here there is no cat, it will give some zeros. Here there is cat is there. Here wherever the cat is there, here they will give some numbers. Okay, here it will give some numbers. And these numbers, whatever is given over here on the features of the cat, this is from that it will analyze this is a cat, and it will get the similar kind of stuff from the all its database. Okay, now it is being a first class, it will be very difficult, but try to analyze it. So how the machine will work is here there is they take this one, Okay, this one I'm talking about. See, this is the cat, right? This is the face of the cat, or this is the one. Here there is a background. So it is not searching based on the background, based on these features. Now I will ask you a simple question. On what basis you are saying this is a cat? You will say that its eyes, its ears, and the way it looks, the face, and all those things. So now if I show you, now I will take this, just I will show you. I'm copying that image. Okay, let me copy that image and I will put it on. Put that. Okay, I got it. Now I will just increase the size. Now look at this. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, now try to analyze this. I'm asking a simple question. By looking at this, you will be knowing that it is a cat. Now look at this part, just this part. Now, by looking at this part, can you analyze, is this a cat? Just look at this part, that's it. This part. Can you analyze, this is a cat? No, you can't analyze it. Yeah, what are the possible things can be coming up over here? It can be, it's looking like a blanket, right? Which we put on, okay, while sleeping. That looks like a blanket. Or it can be a teddy bear fur. Anything it can be. It can be a cat, or it can be a rabbit, or it can be anything which, like, as I told you, like a blanket or or a sofa set or a pillow, anything it can be. So, but when you are able to say, by looking at this, you can't say this is a cat. But if I'm doing the same thing over here, like this, look at this, and can you tell me what is this? Look at this eye. Yes, you can easily say that this is a cat. Why? Because this, by looking at the eye. See, here there is a feature is there, which you can't analyze it, it is a cat. Okay? And here there is a feature is there. You can analyze this is a cat. Now here there is a cat is there? No, there is no cat is there. So if there is no cat, you are going to give a number called as 0. And if there is a cat is there and you are not able to analyze that or recognize that or helps us to identify that is a cat, that feature, what we are going to do it, we are going to give a number which is closer to that of 0, like maybe 50 or 60 or 40 or something like that. And a feature which helps us to identify this is a cat, that one we will give it a number which is close to that of 250. We will give it a number which is close to that of 250. So this is how the each and every image is being recognized by our computer. Okay. Yeah, whatever image now you are having, and like in your mobile, there may be a face unlocking system, right? There is a face unlocking system. Now, when you put on your face in front of your mobile phone, it will recognize your face and it will unlock it. Not only that, you try it out like from a distance, far off distance, with different backgrounds. It will still analyze it and it will recognize it and unlock it. That is because it will be reading the images like this, as I told. Now, this we will build up the applications. Literally, we will build up the applications, or we will write the code where you will give an image and the model will tell us what is that image. Now, this is very clear image. Now, we are going to deal with a very blur image, very much blur image, and we are going to find out. That kind of applications we are going to run it and we are going to build it. And the advancement of these things is nothing but our generative AI. Now, I will explain you the generative AI detailedly tomorrow. Okay, I will stop it over here currently. Any questions you have it, guys? Yeah, Srinivas, that is how these applications are built up. Yeah, Pravesh, I have 7 years experience in the performance testing. What designation I can put it on? See, there is AI testers are required, AI application testers. I don't know whether you have heard it or not. You can rate the AI application performance also. For that, you should understand the internal mechanism. Or you can put it on. Now you are a performance tester. Now you want to move on to build up an AI application. Then you can go with the generative AI and you can say that I was working on the performance tester from past couple of years. I've been moved on to the generative AI and I've been working on the generative. But there is a testing position on AI applications. I'm well aware of that. Thanks, Srinivas. Um, Pravesh, is it clear? I don't know, is there? Okay, that's fine. So any more questions, guys? I try to answer all of them. Some of them I addressed lately. I'm really sorry for that. Yes, Mahesh, we are going to learn very detailedly our deep learning and like minimum we are going to spend 2 months on that generative AI and our and starting will be all prerequisites very detailedly and I'm 100% confident that you will be able to write the code. That's for sure, 100% sure. Now, otherwise you can catch hold of me. I can definitely justify you. Okay, so this is what it is. You will be learning very detailed. I was supposed to give you the details of this, but unfortunately, like there were a lot of things where questions were coming up. I have to address them. Yeah. I will tell you, Pravesh, I will tell you as we move forward, what are the things you have to install and how we go for. Okay. Chalo guys, I assuming that I didn't teach anything. I just gave some information about these applications. So we will continue tomorrow. I will explain you the difference between AI, ML, DR. All your queries will be cleared. And one more thing I'm saying, please believe in yourself. See, it's not a rocket science. You are coming from any background, you can do it. That's for sure. And I can guarantee that. But don't go with the like some other rumors saying that you can't do it. I can, if I can't do it, how you can do it? Something like this. So please don't ignore this and try to believe in yourself. See, yes, Sharat, the recordings are available. And how much Python expertise we need to do? See, it depends. Like you are asking me, like how big is the ocean? It's like something that. See, if you want to become an expertise in Python, Python is very huge. So from our prospects, if we learn till core Python, I will explain you what is a core Python tomorrow. Till core Python is more than enough for us. But you will be getting a complete 170 videos where you will be trained with the basic Python, core Python, and advanced Python. Now, from here, you have to choose your field and you have to move forward. Python is really very huge. Okay. Now, That's really very huge. So as per our requirement, we are going to learn and we are going to implement. For our data science prospects, basic core is enough. That may take it, if you want to become expertise in this, it will take easily 2 months for you. 2 months, yeah, 2 months will be there. I'm always there. Again, I'm saying I'm going to give you the basic push how to learn the Python, and we are going to deal with the Python for 1 week as per our requirement, so that you can understand and you can psychologically you should feel that yeah, I've done Python, and from there on you can easily take forward and you can start doing the Python. And then we will enter into NumPy, Pandas, feature engineering, deep learning, and generative. This is the way we will be going. So first, initially, first 1 week, we are now first 1 week means not this week. From next week starting, we will start with the Python. For 1 week, we are going to spend intensively on the Python to understand the basics. Yeah, some people must be already have done the Python. They must have already learned the Python. That's good. But I have to keep the other people in mind and I have to move forward. Okay. So that is where we will be training. So easily for you to become expert as per data science, it will take 1.5 to 2 months. And from our prospects, I will give you all the basic requirements in 1 week so that you can learn on your own. Again, I'm saying if you have any queries, anything, you can stop me at any given point of time and I'm ready to help you out to explain you. Not on the regular classes, maybe I will take an weekend class and I'll explain the concepts. Amaz, Azam, sorry. Azam, like mock interviews and all those things, we have to do it on our personal interest. As per the course, there is nothing like that. On the topic wise, I will tell you the interview questions, everything. Now, if we want to have it, or you say that I'm prepared on this topic and I want you to take an interview, means we can allocate a particular time and I will definitely help you in taking the interviews. Okay, that will be an intense real-time interview, which you can consider that as a mock. Okay. Chalo guys, I will stop it over here and we will meet tomorrow at the same time and we will take it forward from there. Chalo. Thank you very much. It's a 5 days a week. Usually it will be a 5 days a week. Every day will be 1.5 hour minimum. And as we move forward, we will be having like maybe I may extend it on Saturdays and or if you're not comfortable on Saturdays, then I may extend it for 1.5 1 hour 45 minutes or 2 hours or something like this. Okay. Yeah, Manadeep, thank you very much for your time. So let's meet tomorrow, guys. Thank you. Thanks, Srinivas. I'm ending up the session, guys. Thank you.